Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll share how to pin conversations inside Google Chat. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on any important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up Google Chat on your mobile device and now you'll be brought to all your conversations here on the home page. So if you want to pin a conversation, so if I want to pin Luke, I just click and hold that conversation and more options will appear. And as you can see under markers unread, there is a symbol called pin. So you simply click on pin. And now that conversation is now pinned. And likewise, if you click onto here, direct messages. So if I want to pin a direct message user, so for this example, tutorial is 27, click and hold that user, click on pin. And now that direct message user has been brought to the top. And to unpin someone, just simply tap and hold, click on unpin. Now it's unpinned. And if I go back to the home page, if I want to unpin Luke, I'll just click and hold and unpin that person or that conversation. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.